This place is real cool. I haven't hiked here in a lot of years.
Yeah. Look, it's beautiful, Brie. Come here. Ooh, Brie, look. Whoa. Whoa.
Daddy, I can't see.
We're gonna go down there.
Daddy, I can't see.
You can see, wait lang. Ang ganda na. Yung pinakababa na yan. Yan.
Mommy, there's some people
Bumaba kami dyan, oh. Yung pinakababa na yan, eh.
on the rocks.
Diba tinuro ko to?
Wanna go down there?
Punta ka kanina, oh. Yan pala yung washroom piyang, oh. Yung washroom kanina. Yung washroom. Brie, Tepia.
What is over there? What's over there? I want to see.
Yeah. Ikutin natin yan.
It looks like a pole.
Happy birthday, Brie.
Happy birthday, Mom.
I want to go over there.
Where?
Yeah.
There.
Puntahan natin yan.
Blue watch first step.
Ay, ganda dyan, oh. Brie, come on, Brie. Brie, picture kayo ni Mami dito. Oops, oops. You okay? Ayun, ang ganda na ko. Ang ganda na. Yung pinakababa na yan. Yan.
Mommy, there's some people
Bumaba kami dyan, oh. Yung pinakababa na yan, eh.
on the rocks.
Yeah, because they went down.
Ganda, no?
They're not swimming.
Life wall.
Dogs. Ayun na, parang may tao dun eh.
Meron yan. Ano yan, eh? May barko yan, eh. May nag-ano dyan, yung sumasakay na parang bangka. May tao. Sa US na yan sila ng side. Yung kabilang side. Ganda dito.
Dawa tayo, Brie.
Kaya pababa tayo talaga. Wait lang, Piang. Wait. Paunahin mo na sila, Pia. Paunahin mo sila. Yan. Diyan kami bumaba dati.
You went here before?
Yeah. Only bike. Just ride a bike.
Una ko lang.
Tapos may nakasalubong kami mga sexy. Ganda.
Ako muna, Brie.
Mauna si Mami, mauna si Mami. Go.
Yeah, normal leg is right there.
How's your legs shaking?
Because I'm cold and
You're not scared anymore, Brie?
And plus, ano ko sa
Ay, si Toti, kasama nga namin pala dito nun. Nakaano lang si Toti namin.
Naka yung sapatos.
Yung sapatos niya, naka-clutch.
Mommy, look how low we are.
Yeah. Be careful on drippings.
What is it? Can you take it off?
Ano lang yun, yung galing sa taas.
Ano lang yung leaves, Brie? Mga rock formation dito, nak. Madami yan, eh.
It almost fell down.
Ay, careful, slippery dito, eh.
buhay, no?
Mommy, look at my bus.
Mamaya. Mamaya, gutom na kayo mamaya.
Maraming bumi na ako.
Ah, diretso, yan.
Oh, the ground that we're back there. Daddy, no snakes.
Oh, ganda oh.
Why would there be snakes?
Snakes? No snakes. Only anaconda.
Daddy! No? Anaconda. Daddy, we're not in the jungle. We're in the forest.
Saan kami mag-picture kami dito eh. Likod ng rocks.
Whoa. There was a beach.
Careful on the rocks ha. Sayang, ganda sana ng picture dyan. Oh. Yeah. May tao eh.
Look it up before you test it.
How do you know?
Ganda sana ng picture mo. Yeah. Mawala si daddy. Ganda sana dun eh.
Nandahan rin ha.
Red Brie? Whoa! Look! Yan lang kaya. Oh! Mataas na dito mi ha. Oh! Ganda oh. Diyan na muna kayo.
It's a broken.
Diyan muna kayo. Be careful.
I almost slipped.
Yeah.
I was like, you.
Oh. Danaan lang. One by one, Brie. Yan yung snake oh.
Daddy! Oh my god, Daddy!
That almost scared me.
It's not a snake. Oh, wanna go the hardest one or the easiest one?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Come here. You wanna go here on the easiest one. Yeah. Good job, Brie. Dapat
I'm following your steps.
ito, Brie, oh. Wow. Ito, Brie. Come here. Oops. Yan ang mga nagpa-practice sila mag-ano eh. Napila yata ang bata. Ganda. Ayan na. Oops. Amber, you wanna mountain climbing? Ganda, no?
Some of these falling onto my head.
Picture kayo dito na ko. Sa big rocks. Under the rocks. Dati.
You're like a woman. You're like a woman in the sea.
What do you mean?
Wala tayong dalang map. Ang galing, no?
I was like, oh, under that.
Puro rocky.
Daddy, this side.
Yeah, just follow the signs. This is small lang naman to. Small trail. Hindi tayo maliligaw dito.
I almost fell.
We're almost there. I hear the water now. Oh, I see na. Kita ko na oh.
Where's the water?
Ayun oh, kita na ni Daddy dito. Wow! Dala mo pa kasi yung lobo mo. Wag. Akin na. Dumi yan. Akin na.
Pumunta ka na doon ka dati.
Daddy.
Dapat may bag tayo. Na lagayan ng mga gamit.
Give me water.
Drink ka water? Dito ka muna. Uy, may dog.
Where?
Ano?
They can be dogs.
Ganda, no? Kasing ganda mo. Na. Water na, water. Lakas ng agos, no? Pag natangay ka dyan, lugain ka talaga. Careful, Bri, ha? Stop, stop. Yeah. Hey, hawakan mo si Brippy. At matarik to, matarik. Wow! Ang ganda. Wait lang, Pia. Wait. Wait. Careful. Picture. Mamaya doon, malapit close up. You tired? Water. I'm gonna go that way pa. We lost in the woods. Yeah. Gotta find a walker here. Kill a walker. Come on, Granny. Be careful.
Granny Bree.
Wow, ate. Careful, ha. May heart, oh. Sa puno. Ooh. USA naman yan. Itaw doon sa kabila na ko.
It says mom.
Mas maganda yung kanila. Pero matarek. Pre, careful, ha?
I'm a grandma.
Oh, grandma. Careful, grandma. Wow. I do shortcut, Bree. Bree. I do shortcut. Yeah. Huh? I didn't use the stair. Inakit natin kanina. Diba tinuro ko to?
Wanna go down there?
Baba lang yan, hindi mo ganun kataas
Hindi,
yan.
mas maganda yung dun sa kabila na lang.
Alin? Tatalim?
Hindi na, baba.
Hindi ako muna. Ako muna, Bri. Wait lang, Bri. Go. Kaya? Dali, dali. Geoong tayo eh, Geoong. Close to the water na. Kung magbato-bato na at may nagpi-fishing. No, stop free.
Boom!
Enough.
Enough.
May nagpi-fishing.
One more. I want to do one more.
Wait. Huwag mo kawakan na. Talaga naman. Nalaglag ako.
How do you get up there?
How are you going?
Enough na. Punta ka kanina oh. Yan pala yung washroom piyang oh. Yung washroom kanina. Washroom. Ikot. Bree, Tepia.
Daddy, how do we make water?
Ba tayo? Tamos. Ito na yung masayang part, Brin, ha? We're going up. Tapos bumaba. Oh my God.
Three already. We're almost there. Tapos may hagdan pa ba?
Nakakatin pa tayo hagdan.
Do you see it?
Puro packet na yan. Siyempre kanina, puro tayo pababa eh. Oops!
I thought that was a
Asogator? Asogator?
then one.
Sa kabilang way sila duman. Yung iba nag-i-stay dito maghapon. Hindi. Ayun, yung sasabi ko pa yun.
The only bear here with his daddy. The only bear which is here with his daddy. He's a bear.
Lapit na tayo. Lapit na tayo magutom.
Wala ko ano kakain.
Break. Hingal. Naiihi na nga ako eh.
Hindi na kaya ng bago.
200 cm. Pagod oh, pagod sila. Packet na eh.
Nangak.
Mataas na.
Break.
Nakapagpahinga na.
Hindi pa.
Exit na lang yan oh.
How much do you need to break?
What?
You okay?
You okay?
Hmm?
My butt.
Hindi ko na videoan niya, sayang ah.
Ang hawak mo ang lobo na tutulukot ka.
Ang taas na ito. Careful kayo dito ha, mabato.
Pwede ano mo to?
Oh, wait. Sweet.
Oh, you have a nice balloon.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I think that's a cartoon character, right?
Yeah,
Stitch.
it's Stitch.
Stitch. Have a lovely day.
Yeah, her birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday! I can feel it.
Yeah.
And we're on the trail. On her birthday.
Big snake.
Where do you want to eat? Huh?
Unlimited rice.
Wala mo mandarin dito.
Taas doon.
Ay puta, nahihilo ko din. Nahihilo ko nung tumingin ako ulit.
Tubig.
Hindi. Nahihilo ako nung tumingin ako ulit.
Tarik din.
Hindi ko parang maghahagdan na ako. Parang gusto ko na magpas. Magpahatak ko taas.
Elevator.
Are you sure it's your birthday? Okay.
It's a good experience, Brie, right? In your birthday?
No.
Oh, wait.